let this waddling pincushion fool you. Thousands of needle spikes are effective defensive weapons in her arsenal. This time, her nose detects more than just ants. Not that it stops her. She won't attack the lizards, but the reptile family feels safer giving those prickles a wide berth. Her spikes become more dangerous when she activates them. Even Australia's top predator, the dingo, can do nothing to damage this oddball. She contracts a layer of muscle beneath her skin to roll up and force her spines erect. These efficient pack hunters, capable of pulling down a buffalo, withdraw in frustration with this thorny customer. But the spiny anteater's greatest defense mechanism is her ability to breathe through fire.